Having spent many years in the brokerage industry, I've learned to look beyond surface impressions and focus on the strategic growth prospects of companies like Capital Trade Consulting Pt. Ltd. As the financial markets continue to evolve, it becomes crucial for brokers to not only adapt, but also anticipate future trends and client needs. In this light, examining the potential path forward for Forex Capital Trade Consulting offers valuable insight for anyone interested in the long-term landscape of online trading. One cannot overlook the importance of reputation in this highly competitive field. Review Capital Trade Consulting shows a mixture of opinions, as is typical for many brokers operating on the global stage. While there are occasional whispers about scam capital trade consulting or concerns raised on forums like Scam Capital Trade, the more balanced and frequent reviews on Review Capital Trade suggest that the broker is actively working to strengthen its position. Navigating this landscape requires a clear-eyed view, understanding that the presence of criticism is inevitable but doesn't necessarily define the company's future trajectory. Broker Capital Trade has the opportunity to leverage technological advancements and regulatory compliance as cornerstones of its strategic growth. As trading platforms evolve, brokers that invest in improving speed, reliability, and analytical capabilities will attract a broader and more sophisticated client base. Forex Capital Trade, with its focus on integrating advanced tools, can position itself well in this regard. The ability to provide traders with comprehensive data, seamless execution, and customizable features will remain critical as the market matures. Furthermore, client education and tailored services are becoming indispensable. Opinion Capital Trade Consulting often highlights the need for brokers to engage more deeply with traders by offering personalized account types and adaptive strategies. Capital Trade Consulting's future growth could be closely tied to enhancing these aspects. Expanding account options that cater to varying levels of experience and trading styles could significantly improve client retention and acquisition. Financial regulation also plays a significant role in shaping the broker's outlook. As global standards tighten, broker capital trade must continue to ensure full compliance to build and maintain trust. Reviews Capital Trade frequently touch on the importance of transparency and ethical practices in securing a loyal client base. The ability to meet these regulatory demands without compromising the user experience is a fine balance that will define long-term sustainability. While the broker faces challenges, including overcoming skepticism linked to scam allegations or negative feedback, something common in online trading, the response to these concerns will be a test of resilience. Scam Capital Trade Consulting is a label that many brokers encounter at some point, and the way the company manages communication, addresses issues, and improves services will shape public perception. It's worth noting that many brokers have successfully turned such challenges into opportunities for reform and growth. Looking ahead, the potential for strategic partnerships and expanding into emerging markets could offer substantial growth avenues for Forex Capital Trade Consulting. As new financial hubs develop and digital trading becomes more accessible worldwide, brokers that adapt quickly and localize their offerings will gain competitive advantages. Broker Capital Trade can benefit from this trend by tailoring services and regulatory approaches to diverse client bases. In sum, the future of capital trade consulting is not set in stone, but rather depends on a combination of adaptability, commitment to technological enhancement, and transparent client engagement. As an experienced broker observing this space, my opinion Capital Trade Consulting is that with the right strategic decisions, the company has the foundation to expand its footprint and improve its reputation meaningfully. For those interested, following Review Capital Trade and Opinion Capital Trade can provide ongoing insights into how the broker navigates the dynamic Forex landscape. It is these nuanced perspectives that allow traders and investors to make informed decisions about their partnerships and trading strategies. Overall, the strategic growth prospects for Forex Capital Trade Consulting appear cautiously optimistic, grounded in their current initiatives and potential to meet the evolving demands of global financial markets.